Managing your workload in Monday.com is all about streamlining your tasks and projects, but how do you do it effectively? In this video, I'll walk you through some key strategies for managing your workload in Monday.com, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to organize your tasks like a pro. Stick around till the end because I'll also reveal a competitor that might just be a better fit for you. First, let's talk about how to prioritize tasks in Monday.com. The platform offers multiple ways to manage workload, but one of the most powerful features is the ability to create and use custom workflows. You can set up boards that track different stages of your projects, from to do to in progress to completed. This allows you to keep your tasks moving smoothly and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Next thing, time tracking. If you're working with deadlines or tracking billable hours, Monday.com's time tracking feature is a game changer. You can log how long you've spent on tasks, which helps you understand how much time you're dedicating to each project. However, while this feature is useful, it's not always the most intuitive, especially when compared to competitors that offer more robust time tracking integrations. The fourth thing is managing collaboration. Monday.com offers a collaborative workspace where teams can assign tasks to each other, add comments, and even upload files. This is great for streamlining communication, but one drawback is that the interface can get a little overwhelming if you're working with large teams. When you have too many people interacting with the same project, it can feel chaotic. You might have to spend extra time filtering through tasks to find what's most relevant to you. Now, let's talk about automation. Monday.com has some nice automation features like reminders, task assignments, and project updates. These can save you time and reduce the risk of missing important updates. That said, the automations are pretty limited unless you're using the paid plans, which means if you're trying to get the most out of your workload management, you'll need to dig deeper into premium features. The next thing to consider is the integration options. Monday.com integrates with most tools you'll need for a smooth workflow, like Slack, Google Drive, and Microsoft Teams. However, if you're using niche tools or platforms, you might find the integrations a bit lacking, and you'll need to explore third-party apps or workarounds. At this point, you're probably wondering if there's something out there that better suits your needs. And here's where things get interesting. While Monday.com is a great tool for organizing your workload, it's not the best option for everyone. If you're looking for something more intuitive, with an easier user interface and better time tracking features, there are alternatives that might be a better fit for managing your workload. Stay tuned to hear about one in a moment. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you that you can get an exclusive, extended free trial for Monday.com through the link in the description. But wait! I've also included some fantastic alternatives that offer free trials and might be more suited for your specific workload management needs. These alternatives focus on ease of use and might be the better choice, depending on your work style. Click through the link below to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Make sure to explore the alternatives as well. You might find something that fits your needs even better. Thanks for watching!